Hello guys, how are you? So I hope everybody is doing fine. In this class, we'll talk about IIM placement report this year, 2023. So we tried to do this earlier also as a live session, but there was some issue with the same. So then I thought that let's do a recording only, right? And we talk about the fact and figures of the placement report this year, right? So we'll talk about salary analysis, we'll talk about functional analysis and sector wise. All right. Okay, let's start then. It will be a data driven session. Okay, to give you an idea about how the placements were as compared to previous year, right? So if you talk about highest salary, right? Highest salary last year was 32 lakhs, and this year it has increased to 12.5% and gone up to 36 lakhs. All right. So it's pretty good increase, you can say, correct? Now, but this is the highest, right? So, but the better judgment is the median and the average, right? That decides the actual placement, right? What is the scenario? Okay. So when you talk about median, so it has again decent increase, 16.7%, close to 17% increase in median salary. It has gone up to 17.5 lakhs from 15 lakhs. Okay, 2.5 lakhs increase over there, right? And similarly, when you talk about average of overall, that also near to 17% increase. Okay, 16.6%. Okay, 1/6 basically. So it was 16.06 last year, and this year it has go 18.73. So again, when you talk about these two categories, median and average, right? Overall, when you talk about, so it's pretty decent increase, 17% more or less. Okay, which is very good in the current scenario, I can say. Now, this is the overall point of things, right? When you talk about the average of top 10%, so top 10% students who got placed, right? There you can see that huge increase is there. So top 10 percentage has 37% increase more or less. Okay. Earlier it was 25.35. It is now 34.68. All right. So top 10% batch got placed on an average of 34.68 lakhs this year. Okay. Pretty good, right? Similarly, if you talk about average of top 25%, it is again 25 plus percent increase, right? 25.8, 21.59 to 27.15. Pretty decent increase. And average of top 50 is again 18.2, which is closer to the median and the average. Okay, that was 17%. This is slightly more than that, 18.2% increase. Salary of top 50% students. So it is now 22.64. All right. So this is about IIM Rohtak salary wise analysis. You can see that overall, when you talk about, it's pretty decent increase, 16-17%. Okay, and when we talk about top 10% to 25%, we have huge increase over there. Okay, correct. So this is the salary data, and then we have function wise analysis. When you talk about function wise analysis, you can see that these are the 5 categories we have divided, right? Consulting, this percentage is actually the number of students who got placed in this particular sector. So you can see that consulting has a major role here. Okay, so 24% students went for consulting jobs, and in that one, highest salary is 32.21, average is 16.58. Next is IT ops product and general management, both 21%. Highest salary is 35.51 here, and average is 22.63. And in GM, the highest is 19.05, average is also closer to that, 17.08. Then we have finance, 19% students, highest 24, average 15, 16 you can say. Then we have 15% sales and marketing, highest 36, average 19.9. So you can observe that the highest salary which was this year has come from sales and marketing job. Although IT ops product is pretty close to that, right? 35.51. Okay. So that is the scenario, right? When you talk about I mean these three things, so 36, 35 and 32, right? So you can say these three have a good highest package. When you talk about average, the IT ops product has a better average as compared to others, right? Rest more or less are same. You can see 16, 15, 17. This is slightly more than that, right? 20 approximately. All right, so this is the data. Last year, the scene was same, right? More students opted for consulting, right, in IIM Rohtak. And similarly, if we talk about sector-wise analysis, 45% students opted for banking and finance. Okay, it is pretty good, almost 50%, right? Half of that. Next closest is 14% IT, and you can see that these four are more or less same. Consulting 13%, okay, uh, manufacturing 12%, e-commerce 10%, others 6%. So P and F has 45% weightage overall sector wise, correct? Now you must be observing that why consulting is separate from that, because when you see about the total, right, consulting is 24%. So obviously in other sectors, right, consulting jobs are there, right? So in B and F also, student opted for consulting jobs, correct? All right. So this is the overall analysis of IIM Rohtak placement. Okay, that's it about this, I think. Okay, so we'll be posting more such videos about the placements of different IIMs and top colleges as soon as they got out. All right. So till then, bye bye. See you again.